So someone said that we had not done a video on Nightclub two-step. I thought, really? Seriously? Okay, here we go. So of course what we're dancing today is the second version of Nightclub two-step. The old version of Nightclub 2, which changed, I think, somewhere around the late 80s or early 90s, somewhere up in there. I don't know. Anyway, the old version kind of resembled a country waltz. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. And of course you had all of the turns and whatever that happens in there. It was a very fun dance. It felt really good, that kind of swooping motion, but it didn't really have a lot of stuff to it. So Buddy Schwimmer, just a long time ago, way before he actually introduced the dance, I think he was like 15 or whatever, created, with the help of one of his friends, the current version of Nightclub 2. Now he explained it as a mixture between a salsa and a foxtrot. Most dancers consider it to be a mixture of salsa and rumba, but whatever. It was designed to be danced in nightclubs to that 4-count consistent rhythm, doom, 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 doom kind of beat in a crowded situation where you didn't have to move around a lot. There are 3 basic steps. Yeah, right, only 3 basic steps to the dance, so everyone can do this. Here we are. Your first step is a rock step very tightly behind and a hover. Rock step, hover. Rock step, hover. Now the thing about that standing basic is you can begin with the rock or the hover depending on whether the piece of music is more rhythmic or softer. We have the second basic called a turning basic. The turning basic takes half of the standing basic and mixes it with a side cross side. So if we were to take the rock step and then rotate it side cross side. The amount of turn, of course, doesn't matter because you're not going around a line of dance. You're dancing in a small area of a nightclub. And of course, the last basic is a traveling basic. Now, this isn't used very much in a nightclub situation, but more when the nightclub two-step is danced in a controlled situation like a dance studio or a competition or some place where everyone is kind of dancing the same thing at the same time, and the couple is more able to move around the floor. The traveling basic is similar to that of a foxtrot or a quick step, where you have walk, walk, cross, step. Walk, walk, cross, step. Those are your 3 basics to the dance. Everything else in the dance, all of the turns, all of the crossovers, everything comes from those basic steps. Can't remember when it started, so many I needed.